all of us again are extremely grateful, first to the audience, second to all the people in media for supporting the film so much, in spite of the fact that there might have been things that could have curtailed the happy release of this film.
To be honest, I don't think we set out to break records. We set out to make a film with love, with the right intentions. And most importantly, I think we had a good time.